all the panels come with a 5-year warranty that's included. So including faucet dispensers, installation tools, shipping installation, and the total cost is up to $80,000. These are high-level estimates. We didn't include taxes or duties yet to this, but I with the budget that you have given me, I tried to fit as many panels as I could, including the shipping and installation. So the levelized cost for source water over the lifetime of 15 years would be up to 9 cents a liter. And per student per year, it would be close to $27 over the lifetime. So that's what I gist of the pricing of it. And then the major goal of this being reducing in the plastic water consumption. So plastic water bottles that add to climate change, and we will be offsetting over 1.5 million plastic bottles with this project. And a little bit about, I realized I didn't really talk about the source hydro panel itself. So a little bit about how the hydro panel works. So the hydro panel works with a combination of solar thermal and with the power of sun, right? So the solar thermal that's in the middle of the panel powers fans to the side of the panel. The fans bring in all the air into the panel, and then it's passed on to our patent hydroscopic material, which absorbs all the water vapor from the atmosphere. And because of the constant heating and cooling within the system, the water is then desorbed and collected into the 30-liter reservoir that's inside each panel. And because the water is pure from the start, we don't really have to add or treat the water. The only thing we do is add calcium and magnesium for taste purposes. And the water is ozonated to make sure it doesn't stay stagnant for a longer period of time, to make sure it is safe to drink. And each panel also comes with microchips, and which allows us to monitor the panel real time to see how much water it's being produced, how many liters, and if there's any issues, we can quickly troubleshoot it from our headquarters here in Arizona. And the lifetime of a panel is 15 years. And the regular O&M for the panel is changing the air filter and water filter every year, and the mineral cartridge has to be changed every 5 years. So that's a little bit about the panels. I will stop there to see if you have any questions.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. For the 22 panel, including the sink faucets, right?
Yes.
And then including the connector pipes, shipping, installation.
Yeah.
But the warranty, it is optional.
No, the warranty is included. The manufacturer's warranty is included. So if the panel is defaulted, if the panel has any issues, like it'll be covered under the 5-year warranty. But the service agreement, I have to check on that based on if we have somebody in country that we can do a service agreement. The service agreement essentially is that covers the air filter, water filter every year, and then the 5-year mineral cartridge every 5 years. If not, like, you'll have to pay. You either buy it from source or you can procure it locally to change the filters every year. So that's up to you. That's optional. But the 5-year manufacturer's warranty is included in the hydro panel cost.
What is the standard of changing the filter? How long are we going to change the filter?
Yeah, the filter will be changed every year. So there's the air filter and water filter that changes once every year. And then there is the mineral cartage, so the calcium and magnesium that goes onto it every 5 years. So every 5 years you change the cartage, but the filters are changed every year. And it's fairly simple to change it. I don't know how AC systems in the Middle East work, so pardon my ignorance. But here, if it is an HVAC, we have to change our AC filters every year. So similar to that, like it's just a quick replacement of filters. So the maintenance isn't very extensive.
In one hydro panel, how many filters do we have? How many filters do we have in one hydro panel?
One water filter and one air filter.
One water filter. How
And
much is one water filter per year?
Yeah, so just the maintenance of the panel, like the cost for maintenance every year would be approximately $100 per panel per year. So the air filter, the water filter, and once every 5 years, the mineral cartage would cost like $100 per panel per year.
Oh, so it will cost $22,000 after 1 year for
$2,200. Yeah.
$2,200, sorry.
Yeah.
$2,200 per year.
For maintenance.
For maintenance.
Yeah.
Okay, so after 1 year, we need to contact you again for maintenance.
Yeah, you either contact us or we hire somebody locally for installations, or you can contract with them to do that, right? So whoever we hire to do the installation in country in Abu Dhabi, because we always have local partners to do the installation. So you can either contact us directly or we can